Good morning to one and all. I am Bharti, working as an assistant professor. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about the introduction to transport costing and also the objectives of transport costing. So, transport undertaking provides transport services, and the method of ascertaining cost in this undertaking is known as a transport costing. And let us discuss about the objectives of transport costing. And that first one is called as a cost ascertainment. Finding out the cost of operating the vehicle is called as a cost ascertainment. So this may be finding the cost of running a vehicle per kilometer. And second point is price fixation. Determining the prices to be charged for the usage of services by the customer is called as a price fixation. So here to fix the rates of goods and passengers on the basis of operating cost. And next one is quotations. Quotations is nothing but the providing appropriate and required data for preparing quotations on customer enquiries. And next decision data, providing information for managerial decisions like comparative cost benefits of different vehicles. And the next point is control over maintenance, ensuring that repairs and maintenance expenditure of the vehicles is under control. And operational efficiency, assessing and highlighting the efficiency with the vehicle rented out and the expenses incurred while operating them. And there are certain advantages of operating costing in transport organization. First one is called as a reliable price. The prices fixed for the services are accurate and fair and reliable. Cost recovery, all the costs incurred are ensured to be recovered from the users of the services. And next one is called as a cost control. The cost can be controlled and wherever possible reduce it with the help of the information made available. And next, policy decisions, comparative cost and revenue of the different vehicles and also relative benefits of the owned and hired vehicles are made available. Such information is valuable in policy formulation. And next one is called as a logistic, routing and scheduling the vehicles and the loads to be carried out by different vehicles become easier because of the cost data made available. So objectives of transport costing. The objectives of transport costing are to ascertain the operating cost of running a vehicle per kilometer and fix the rates and rates of goods. So these are the objectives. And next we'll go for costing procedure. The procedure of ascertaining cost in transport undertaking is to prepare an operating cost sheet. There are certain steps are taken in preparing operating cost sheet. First one is called as a determination of cost unit or unit of services. A basic problem in transport costing is the adoption of suitable cost unit. Cost unit in transport costing may be following two types. One is called as a simple cost unit and another one is called as a composite cost unit. So your simple cost unit, for example, per kilometer per mile, that ascertaining the cost of running a vehicle per kilometer or per mile. Composite cost unit, for example, per passenger kilometer or per ton kilometer, that is cost of transporting a passenger or a ton of goods for 1 kilometer. And compilation in transport costing, costs are classified as follows. One is fixed cost and another one is called as a variable cost. So fixed cost are the constant cost and do not changes with the increase or decrease in the number of units or services rendered by the company. For example, wages of driver, conductor, garage rent, office expenses, license fees, insurance of vehicle, road tax, etc. And next, variable cost are, this is also called as a running cost. The term transport includes all the modes of transport like air, water, rail and road. However, the present discussion is confined to road transport only. Road transport includes both passenger transport and goods transport. It may be carried out by trucks, buses, tempos and taxis, etc. And this is the information I have taken from Evan Arora Costing Methods, Theory and Problem. And this is the website I have taken the information. Thank you all.